Aloha everybody, Tracie here.
With Tita.
Today we are going to go through the Hakalama. E ho'opili mai?
Hakalama.
What is the Hakalama?
Hakalama teaches Keiki how to read Hawaiian words.
Mai ka'i. Why? Because pronunciation or how you say Hawaiian words are very, very important. Now I'm adding the link and I'm attaching it down here at the bottom for you to print it out. Now I have a question from one of my viewers, and his name is James Reynolds. He asks,
why is it that sometimes the okina is used at the beginning of some words but not in others?
Mai ka'i. So if you look at the last column with the okina, when you have words with the okina in front of it, it gives a hard sound. Kind of like if somebody's punching you in the stomach, you yes, you make a hard sound. Okay? E ho'opili mai. Ah. Now the soft sound without the okina. Ah. Hana ho. Ah. Ah. Now let's practice the e. 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 Hana ho. E. E. Mai ka'i. Alright, so let's go through the Hakalama with the A and the E for today. Pa.
Hakalama napawa'a.
Hana ho.
Hakalama napawa'a.
Mai ka'i. Pa.
Hakalama napawa'a.
Mai ka'i. Hana ho.
Hakalama napawa'a.
Mai ka'i.
Hekeleme nepewe'e.
Mai ka'i.
Hekeleme nepewe'e.
Mai ka'i. Pa.
Hekeleme nepewe'e.
Hana ho.
Hekeleme nepewe'e.
Mai ka'i.
Yeah!
As always, mahalo for watching and
Thank you for letting us reach our goal of 2,000 subscribers. And our next goal is 3,000.
ahui ho!